How to change the notification settings in Bumble app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. Launch the app on your phone. After you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the notification settings in Bumble app, you need to go to your profile settings. Tap on this profile icon in the bottom left. Once you are in your profile page, at the top right, you can see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. Once you're in this settings page, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see notification settings option. Tap on this. From here, you can manage your notification settings. If you want the message notifications, you can tap on the top section. If you want to receive new messages through the notifications and emails, you can enable so. If you want the match notifications, you can select accordingly. If you want the notifications for new matches, you can turn it on too. You can also set the profile notifications. If you want other notifications, you can manage accordingly over here. So that's how you can easily change notification settings in Bumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.